Toby, but you can call me Big T. One day, a high school peer education project took me to the Vic Young People Centre where I met the two absolute gems in charge of youth participation in Wrexham. Without them, I couldn't have lived through many of my proudest moments. That day was an introduction session designed to grip my attention and show me how passionate I was about topics that locally affect me. It was this day I first met my current best mate. Whilst playing Giant Jenga, me and Sam clicked instantly, and have many great stories to tell from both our time in and out of the Senedd. I've also met many more great people with whom I've been on incredible adventures. My proudest moments here include consulting young people on the Wrexham they want, which fed into Welsh law, and I've also been in meetings, workshops and events with key decision makers, being treated just as important as anyone else who their work affects. During my 2.5 years I felt truly empowered as a young person, but the Senedd hasn't just confined me to Wrexham. Here's me on a train, here's me in a taxi, and here's me on a bus. I've had opportunities to work on huge projects with Public Health Wales and the UK Youth Parliament, the latter of which took me to the House of Commons in a suit, I love a suit, to debate 5 issues voted on by 900,000 young people across the UK, as 600 of us gathered within the House of Commons to debate these issues and fight for a nationwide improvement for young people. I've stayed in London, Bangor, Cardiff and Liverpool, although me and Sam spend more time drinking the free hotel tea than we do sleeping. But I've also met incredible people from across Wales, England, Scotland and even Northern Ireland. Words can't describe how sensational my experience has been in Senedd, and if I could sum my experience up in 3 words, it would be friendship, positivity and improvement. It's all about giving young people the life they deserve whilst building incredible bonds with the people who share this passion. That's why I've always loved and continue to love my Senedd experience.